How are you? Welcome to all on my YouTube channel Arya Classes. Today I am going to teach you the next step of tense, that is future continuous tense. So we will teach today future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. First of all, we would like to know the identification of this tense. First step, identification. First step, identification. Identification. Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is used to show an action of a future time that will carry on in a future. So we would like to understand the Hindi meaning of this identification. Future continuous tense is used. Future continuous tense का प्रयोग किया जाता है to show an action of future time. भविष्य काल या भविष्य के एक ऐसे कार्य को दर्शाने के लिए फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का प्रयोग किया जाता है. दैट विल कैरी ऑन इन फ्यूचर, जो कि भविष्य में घटित होगा, अर्थात अभी घटित नहीं हुआ है, जो कि भविष्य में घटित होने वाला है. नाउ वी कैन टेक सम एग्जाम्पल अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस आइडेंटिफिकेशन. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, रीना will be making a speech. रीना will be making a speech. रीना एक भाषण दे रही होगी. सेकंड एग्जाम्पल, साहिल will be teaching a lesson. साहिल will be teaching a lesson. साहिल एक अध्याय, एक पाठ पढ़ा रहा होगा. So these are two examples according to this identification. Now we can take next step of this tense, that is helping verb. There are two helping verb of this tense. First shall be and second will be. Shall be is used for first person only and will be is used only third or second person only. Second step, helping verb. Helping verb. Helping verb. There are two helping of this tense. First shall be, second will be. Shall be is used for first person like I, we only. Will be is used for second and third person. Third person like you, he, she, it, name, they, etc. So there are two helping of this tense. First, shall be, it is used for first person pronoun only, like I or we only, and will be is used for second and third person also, like second person you, and these are third persons pronoun he, she, it, name, they also. So this is second step of this tense. Now we can take third step of this tense, that is main verb. Third step of this tense, that is main verb. Third, main verb. Main verb present participle form of verb. We can say first form plus ing, otherwise we can say before also etc. Fourth step of this tense, that is structure of this tense. Fourth, formula for affirmative subject plus shall be, will be. Subject helping verb before plus object. Before means first form plus ing. Negative sentence, subject shall, will plus not plus be plus before plus object. This is negative structure of this tense. Next structure, interrogative. Interrogative, shall, will plus subject plus be, shall, will, subject, be before plus object question mark. Fourth structure, interrogative plus negative. Shall, will plus subject plus not plus be plus before plus object question mark also. Now we can take some example one by one, like affirmative, for negative, for interrogative plus negative. For affirmative sentence, Aman will be going to the market. Aman will be going to the market. Aman बाजार जा रहा होगा. This is affirmative sentence of this tense. Now we can take negative. Sita will not, Sita will not be making a tea. सीता will not be making a tea. सीता एक चाय नहीं बना रही होगी. Interrogative sentence, shall we be watching television? Question mark. Shall we be watching television? क्या हम टेलीविजन देख रहे होंगे? इंटेरोगेटिव प्लस नेगेटिव और सेंटेंस. Will the boys not be playing cricket? Will the boys not be playing cricket? क्या लड़के क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहे होंगे? So these are 4 example of this tense according to structure, according to this tense. So how did you feel to take class for today in English? Please tell me in comment box, and don't subscribe to my YouTube channel Arya Classes. Thanks a lot.